Hi! I know today is not Thursday, but I really just want to show you this. Faber-Castell just sent me a bunch of their art supplies here. So let's see what we've got. But first I'm gonna organize this. I have this box here and I'm organizing this acrylic colors because there are a lot of them. Okay, first let's see this click and go water cup. I think this cup will be useful if you want to paint outside because it's really compact. I think the term click and go is just right. And next we got this cute brush set. I mean, look at these colors. And the holder is really soft and you can remove it if you don't like using it. And look at this pastel brush. They have different sizes with the first set. And let's just open this up because it's really cute. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Okay, next we have this pencil and eraser set. There's not much information about this pencil, but they are just so cute. Next we got this art sketch pad, but I couldn't find the weight of the paper, so let's just see. And I think this is around 100 GSM. Yeah, and also it says ideal for marker, pens, pencil, and crayon. Next we got these 3 washi tapes and the set of acrylic colors. I just want to see what's inside this box. Okay, wow, so it includes this brush, another cute brush, okay, and a plastic palette here, and a set of 12 paint, and each of them are 12 milliliters. I think the color choice is quite good for a set of 12. Now let's put this back because I'm not gonna use it right away. Maybe on the next video. Last but not least, the watercolor set. Funny story about this. Few days before Faber-Castell messaged me, there was someone in my social asked me to review Faber-Castell watercolor, and I replied, nobody has sent it to me yet. And few days later, Faber-Castell contacted me. Okay, this set is also 12 colors. This is white, yellow, red. Wait. There's something's wrong here. No, I will fix this. So let me just remove this earth color and move the red on the side, and then the warm green, the cold green, the warm blue, the cold blue, and yeah, here is the earth color supposed to be. Now it looks a lot better. Okay, honestly, I don't know what to try first. Maybe I will start with watercolor. Maybe. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you so much for Faber-Castell Indonesia to send me all of this. And thank you all for watching. Bye!